It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, May 26th. I'm James Spann. The summer preview continues for Alabama through the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. Chance of rain will be there every day, but any afternoon showers pretty widely separated. Check it out, same pattern today. Big trough in the western states. Most of the active weather will be in advance of that across Texas and the Great Plains. We are starting off this day in the 60s. We'll expect a high today between 87 and 90 for most spots. On the watch warning map, we got some air quality alerts for some of the cities in the eastern U.S. Other than that, things are pretty quiet. But later today, more big storms. Texas north up through parts of the Great Plains. Again, Kansas will have a chance of more tornadoes today. This is the core of their season. It's been very busy out there in recent days. Tomorrow, a slight risk for parts of Texas and southern Oklahoma. And on day 3, things slow down a little bit. Now, this is for Saturday, a marginal risk from Texas up into parts of Missouri and southern Iowa. And look at that. You know, we're one of the driest spots in the entire country for the next 5 days. That's the rain through Tuesday morning, basically nothing. And I do think we'll have a few afternoons with showers around, but pretty spotty stuff. The big rains stay west. Tropical weather. Disturbance is east of the Bahamas, very disorganized, but the guys at NHC continue to suggest this might get its act together on the journey over toward the South Atlantic coast in coming days. Look at the spaghetti plot. Modeling suggesting this could approach the coast of the Carolinas, perhaps in about 96 hours or so. So our friends from Charleston North will have to keep an eye on this for the holiday weekend. And and again, I think this won't be a classic tropical storm. It will be a hybrid, a subtropical storm, if you will. Look at the intensity guidance, and you see some do ramp it up to tropical storm strength. So this thing might be the second named storm of the season. We had one back in January, but we'll keep an eye on that. One way or the other in terms of Alabama and the Gulf Coast, no direct impact. Here we go, model fans. GFS, this is today at 1 o'clock. The 06Z run at 500 millibars. Big trough in the west, and again, surface low over the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma. Severe weather possible south and east of that, but around here, pretty much the same story. Partly to mostly sunny, hazy, highs 87 to 90. Could there be a shower? Yes, but most places stay dry. Same thing tomorrow. And as the weekend begins on Saturday, once again, the chance of a shower, yes, but the shower should be very widely scattered. A mix of sun and clouds with highs in the 80s. The GFS pulls the high down a little bit to 82. I think we'll be at least in the mid-80s. But again, this might be the day where there will be a better chance of showers. If I could pick any day out of the next 7, this might be it. And again, that's not to say it's going to rain a lot, but it could rain a time or two. And again, we got the tropical low that's off the coast of South Carolina. Sunday, that low is near Charleston. And for us, the weather looks pretty dry. Highs well up in the 80s. And for Memorial Day, pretty quiet. Our subtropical feature is on the coast of South Carolina. Just kind of sitting there. For us, pretty decent amount of sun with a high between 87 and 90. And it's just not going to change much next week. There's Tuesday, Wednesday, and a week from today, Thursday, June 2nd. A little trough over Texas, but again, for us, things look pretty quiet. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, June 4th. A pretty good little trough rotating through here, and just maybe that will offer a decent chance of showers and storms if this verifies. Numbers, again, these are probably a little too warm. I don't think we do mid-90s, but certainly we could touch 90 on a day or two. But highs upper 80s to near 90 and lows mostly in the 60s all the way through June 10th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.